This is the Harbor Freight Chicago Electric chainsaw sharpener, item number 68221. I'm just going to show the features real quick. It comes with a blade, and then comes with the chain guide, and this has a couple of rollers here so you can move the chain along. There's a chain stop, so you'd move the chain forward and then back it up against the stop. There's a chain clamp, looks like a brake pedal. So you pull this clamp, clamps the chain here so that you can, it holds the tooth tight so you can sharpen it. There's a adjustment here that adjusts where this stop is. So you can move it forward and back so that when you go to sharpen a tooth, the blade comes down in the right spot. Let me get to the correct tooth here. So the blade comes down the right spot. And then on the back, there's a depth spot to control how deep you go. So that's about it. There's some angles down here. There's a clamp down here so you can rotate doing left and right cuts. I'm just going to show how it sharpens a chainsaw, how you go through it. I have it set for 30 degrees. That's the angle that Stihl recommends for their chainsaw chains. There's a little stop here, and there's a handbrake up here that squeezes the chain. Now, what you would do is you scroll the chain until you get to the chain, the tooth you want to sharpen, and that's this one, which I've already sharpened. And then you'd sharpen it, go to the next tooth. Okay, this one's already sharpened, so you'd squeeze it, come down, sharpen it, come up, and now we're ready to go to the next one. So I'll turn it on. We'll advance it. That's the opposite direction tooth. We want to go to the next tooth that is facing the 30-degree angles. Hold it there. Grab the brake there that locks the chain in place. Come down. And yep, that looks good. We just advance to the next one. Back it up against the stop. Hit the brake. Come down. Alright, now we need to go through and sharpen all the chains on the other direction. So we'll turn it to 30 degrees, although right now my clamp is in the way. Alright. Okay, so now we're ready to do the opposite tooth. That's that one. And we're just going to check, make sure that looks good. That does. Now we're ready to do the other direction tooth. Turn it on. Lock the chain. Nope, not quite enough. Nope, still not enough. There we go. Now we got it all. Advance the chain. The lock. And another tooth. Alright. That's it.